Once upon a time in the quiet town of Willowbrook, there was a young woman named Emma who had a heart full of compassion and a desire to make a difference in the lives of others. Emma had always been drawn to helping those in need, especially the elderly. She believed that they held a wealth of wisdom. One crisp autumn morning, Emma woke up with a newfound determination to start a project that would bring assistance and companionship to the elderly residents of Willowbrook. She called it Golden Hearts. Emma gathered a group of like-minded individuals from the community who shared her passion for helping the elderly. Together, they brainstormed ideas and set out to create a program that would make a meaningful impact on the lives of the seniors in their town. The first initiative they launched was a weekly visitation program. Each member of the Golden Hearts team would be assigned to visit an elderly person in the community, providing them with companionship, assistance with tasks, and a listening ear. The visits quickly became a source of joy and comfort. As word spread about the Golden Hearts program, more and more people in Willowbrook wanted to get involved. The local schools organized student volunteers to help with simple tasks like grocery shopping, gardening, and technology support. The town's businesses donated resources and funds to support. One day, Emma met Mr. Jameson, an elderly widower with a heart full of stories and a garden that needed tending. She paired him with a young man named Alex, who shared Mr. Jameson's love for gardening. Their bond grew stronger with each passing week as they worked side by side, exchanging stories, and the impact of Golden Hearts was felt not only by the elderly residents but also by the entire community. Families were brought closer together, and children learned valuable lessons about empathy, compassion, and the importance of respecting and valuing their elders. As the seasons changed, so did the projects of Golden Hearts. In the winter, they organized a snow-clearing brigade to ensure that the elderly could safely navigate their sidewalks. In the spring, they hosted a community-wide cleanup day to help with yard work and home repairs. Emma's vision had blossomed into a vibrant tapestry of kindness, with the elderly at its heart. The program became a shining example of what a community could achieve when they rallied together to support one another. Years passed, and the impact of Golden Hearts continued to grow. Emma, now a beloved figure in Willowbrook, looked back with pride on the legacy she had created. The town had become a place where the elderly were cherished and their contributions to society were celebrated. And so, in the quiet town of Willowbrook, the Golden Hearts program stood as a beacon of hope and a testament to the power of a community united in their mission to help the elderly. Emma's dream had become a reality, and her legacy would continue to inspire generations to come.